If you don't see incoming calls on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, in order to solve this issue, what you can do is, first of all, you can check if you have Do Not Disturb activated. So if you go to the control center or quick settings, you can go to modes, and then over here you can check if DND mode is activated or not. If it is, then you will not be able, probably you will not be able to see incoming calls, so you want to turn it off to see if that helps. There's also a possibility that there is an automation going on that re-enables Do Not Disturb for you. So if you press and hold your finger on Do Not Disturb, then you should be able to open these settings. And you might want to check if there's anything that, of course, might re-enable DND mode. And if DND mode is not the reason why you cannot see incoming calls, then we can also proceed to settings. Then over here in settings, we're gonna go to apps, then tap over here to see the list of all apps. We're gonna tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to System Apps. Now, in here we should be able to scroll down. Actually, we don't have to scroll down. We're gonna use this search button here, right next to three dots, and we're gonna type phone. There we go. Now we need to find the phone app. We want to select it. You want to force stop it. Then you want to go to notifications and make sure that all of these notifications are enabled. There we go. You can also go to permissions and make sure that these permissions are granted. If they are not, you want to tap on the permission and grant the permission for the app. Then you can also go to storage and cache, and you can clear the whole storage. There we go. Now, after that, we're gonna also go back and we want to open phone and messaging storage. Over here, you want to choose storage and cache, and you want to clear cache or clear storage, depending what option is available. So if you have a clear storage available, then you want to use it. If you don't have it available, choose clear cache. Then we're gonna go back, and you want to do the same thing with the phone calls. You want to open storage and cache, and if you can clear storage, then do so. If you cannot do that, try to clear cache instead. Usually if you clear storage, then cache is cleared as well, so you don't have to do both. Then we're gonna go to phone services and do exactly the same thing. We're gonna clear storage over here. Alright, after that I'm gonna switch from the phone phrase to call, just to see if there's anything else that we can do, but it seems that that is all we can do. Alright, so after that you want to reopen the phone app just to make sure that it is actually at least activated in the background, because we have force stopped it. And also, if you want to, you can perform restart, so you can restart your phone, you can reboot it, just to make sure that everything starts correctly, and hopefully now you should be able to see incoming calls. Leave a like and subscribe.